On 3, here we go. Cone 2, 15, go. Yes, sirs. This brother's making it look easy. I love saying that statement. That's a true statement. That's inspiration. That's dedication right there. Yeah, you're right. There you go. There you go. That lets you know you're doing something. That lets you know you're doing something great. Yes, indeed. This is inspiration, my brothers. All as a family. We're a family out here. We can and we will. Shiva goes. All right. Cone 5. 60. Go. 60 seconds, y'all. Yeah, 422. So y'all good. I believe in you, my brother Lee. You gonna survive it, baby. You got it. You can and we will. There you go, my man. Brother Lee, never stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it, baby. 7, 18, 19, 20, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2. Come on, Lee. 4, 5, 6. You got it. 7, 8, 9, 50, 1. There you go. Go. Let's go, baby. Come on. You got it. Yeah, you're right. All the way through. Also back, my man. You're giving inspiration, Lee. You got it, my man. You never stop, everybody. Never stop, never quit. Don't know the meaning of that. Yes, indeed. But it's all right. What it's all about. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Cone 1, 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Cone 3, 7. Go. Yeah, 238. Yes, indeed. We put in that work, everybody. Put in that work. I already know, my man. I already know, baby. Yeah, you're right. You got this. You got this. You got this, brother Lee. Almost finished, baby. At 2:15 left. You got it, my man. There you go. All the way through. In through your nose, out through your mouth, chest out, back straight on your toes. In through your nose, you breathe, 3 heartbeats of rhythm, out through your mouth, 3 hearts a beat. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.